This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make stewed chicken gravy. First, gather your ingredients, including any pan drippings from your cooked chicken. Next, we'll create a simple roux, which is the foundation of a rich gravy. Then, we'll gradually add liquid and simmer until it thickens beautifully. Finally, we'll season it to perfection, ensuring a delicious accompaniment to your stewed chicken. To begin, you'll need about 2 tablespoons of chicken drippings from your stewed chicken, or you can use butter if you prefer. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to create our roux. For the liquid, have 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth or water on hand. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to season your gravy to taste. Start by heating your chicken drippings or butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in the 2 tablespoons of flour to form a smooth paste, which is your roux. Cook this mixture for about 1 to 2 minutes, stirring constantly until it turns a light golden brown. Now, slowly pour in the 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Continue to simmer the gravy gently, stirring frequently, for about 3 to 5 minutes. It will gradually thicken to a lovely, pourable consistency. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Once it's perfect, remove it from the heat. Your rich, flavorful stewed chicken gravy is now ready to be served warm over your tender stewed chicken. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.